How to manage partition on Mac hard drives. Here we discuss about partition of hard drives on Mac system with the help of Stellar Partition Manager. Stellar Partition Manager is one of the most useful software that allows you to perform basic partitioning operation of Mac hard drive like create a partition, delete a partition, resize partition, format partition, hide partition, etc. It has several unique features including moving and resizing options that allow the user to add multiple spaces together to move partitions and create new partitions. This software provides the safety and privacy of your data with the help of the hide and disclosure option. It is so finest software which is awarded by review Harbor and EssentialMac. Features of Stellar Partition Manager. You can easily create or add partition on your Mac system and comes with the effective GUI. You can separate the storage space from the hard drive and safely create the partition without loss of data. You can also organize your hard drive data perfectly. It is capable of hard disk partitioning up to 80 GB. It is capable of managing multiple operating systems and offers options for modifying partitions. It is also able to recover deleted partitions, put your file safely and make privacy to selected files. If you are looking for a tool to partitioning your Mac hard drive, then Stellar Partition Manager is one of the best options for you. It is a high-tech tool developed with latest techniques and strong algorithm using which easily create a partition of your drive in few intervals of time. But, there are some limitations in free software, some of the features not working properly with the free tool. So, you need to purchase the license version of this software for more advanced features. For more details, please visit www.freesoftbooks.com. Thanks for watching this informational video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.